I'm Lori Clowers with a Wake Tech News Update. Wake County voters have affirmed their support for Wake Tech by approving a $353 million bond for a major strategic expansion. It means that Wake Tech will be able to build innovative new training facilities on the Perry Health Sciences and RTP campuses. The college will also build a permanent Western Wake campus to meet the tremendous job growth in Holly Springs, Apex, and Cary. Wake Tech's future Eastern Wake campus is taking shape. A topping out ceremony was held to celebrate the placement of the final beam on the Public Safety Simulation Complex. The complex will be the first facility at the site, expected to open next fall. Wake Tech Health Sciences students got a hands-on training in responding to a large-scale emergency. The scenario simulated a tornado that resulted in mock injuries. Students from Wake Tech's nursing and EMS programs participated. Wake Tech students, staff, and faculty participated in a special observance in honor of Veterans Day. The Wake Tech Honor Guard presented the colors while career coach Johnette Smith sang the national anthem. Wake Tech is proud to be a military-friendly Gold Award institution. Wake Tech's John Deere Agricultural Tech Systems program has been recognized as one of the best in the world. The program has earned the distinction of platinum status from the Deere & Company. It's one of only 3 such programs in North America to achieve platinum status. And that program had special visitors recently. Governor Roy Cooper joined United States Agriculture Secretary Tom Vilsack and White House infrastructure officials for an announcement about funding to bring broadband internet access to rural areas. The Hendricks Center for Automotive Excellence is being recognized for setting a new standard in automotive repair instruction. The center received a 2022 Sir Walter Raleigh Award from the City of Raleigh Appearance Commission. The commission called the Hendricks Center a beautiful project and said it sets a great tone for the importance of community college education. Defending NASCAR champion Kyle Larson came to the Hendricks Center recently. The driver of Hendricks' number 5 car was on hand to help present a $25,000 grant to students at the Verna Malone College and Career Academy. Students got their picture taken and got a tour of the award-winning facility. As we approach the holidays, the Care Center at Wake Tech organized Awake and Thankful, a Thanksgiving meal distribution for students in need. Some Wake Tech students joined employees in packing meals made possible by the support of Food Lion, Publix, and Wegmans. And finally, the winner of this year's Wake Tech Idol is Marianne Valina. Girl, put your records on. The medical assisting student defeated 9 other finalists to win the vocal competition, and she walks away with a $2,000 scholarship, courtesy of the Wake Tech Foundation. Congratulations, Marianne. And that's the latest Wake Tech News.